Hello everyone, welcome to my trivia channel from here in cloudy Yorktown, Virginia. Well, the sun's kind of peeking out. Hurricane Sally's just leaving the area. It's going over the Chesapeake Bay in the Atlantic Ocean, but it's going very slowly, which is what we'll talk about. But first of all, since this is a trivia channel, let me ask today's trivia question. What year did they first name hurricanes? What year did the National Hurricane Center, the NHC, first name hurricanes? Was it A, 1930, B, 1940, C, 1950, or D, 1960? Okay? And I'll answer that in a little bit. But the answer as far as can you outwalk a hurricane, yes. Now, Hurricane Sally moved as slow as 3 miles an hour. In fact, even slower, I believe, for a little bit there. And the average person can walk 3 to 4 miles an hour. Now, if you were to go out and walk 3 miles an hour, that'd be a mile every 20 minutes. Okay? That's reasonable. You can do that. If you were to walk 4 miles an hour, that'd be a mile every 50 minutes. That's pretty brisk, but you can do that too. Now, if you got to 5 miles an hour or a mile every 12 minutes, that's pretty quick. You almost have to start doing that. That's pretty fast. Some people might have to start doing that funny, like that race walk that people do. It looks kind of funny. But anyway, so yes, the answer is yes, you can. So if you were right here and Hurricane Sally were here and somebody said go, and you started, you could literally outwalk the hurricane. And that's how slow, and that's why we had these horrible amounts of rain. I think, northwest Pensacola had 30 inches of rain. Here in York County, Virginia, we had 8. And we had 8 inches of rain. We're all the way up in Virginia. So the amounts of rain have just been horrible, the flooding and everything. So, yeah, these storms are terrible. But you think a tropical storm Allison years ago did the same thing. So a lot of times the tropical storms will be even worse than a hurricane if they're slow. So whereas here in Virginia, we get fast ones come through right up the coast and zoom. And sometimes you'll go to bed and you go, did we have a hurricane last night? We've had that happen a few times. So, it just really varies. It depends on the angle, really. The angle is really everything. Okay, well, that's it. Hope you enjoy. Oh, the answer to today's trivia question was C, 1950. So about 70 years ago was the first hurricane when they first started naming. But they've got records of hurricanes to I think Puerto Rico, 1508. But where they started putting the names was 1950. Well, that's it. And everybody stay safe during these hurricanes. And TGIF, it's September 18th, 2020. We'll see you for the next video. Goodbye.